Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative online business models today, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting products or services you believe in. Start by identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and has strong demand. Popular niches include health and fitness, personal finance, tech gadgets, and lifestyle. Partner with affiliate programs that offer competitive commission rates and a good reputation. Choose products that resonate with your audience. Your platform is where you'll connect with your audience and promote affiliate products. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account dedicated to your niche. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. Use strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to attract visitors. Be authentic in your recommendations. Write honest reviews, create how-to tutorials, and share personal experiences with the products. Once you start earning, reinvest in paid ads to scale your business using platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and YouTube Ads. Use analytics tools to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Identify what works and refine your strategies. Building a six-figure affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. Focus on providing value and stay updated with trends. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? The first step is choosing your niche. So dive in today.